London cake. Make your chocolate cake ahead and cool it and then soak it. Make your caramel, chill it and whip it until smooth. Make your ganache and cover it and let it cool down at room temperature. Spread your ganache and your caramel onto the chocolate cake layers and spread more chocolate.
She made it, not me. What is this?
Oh my god.
What did you make, Mom?
Look at that.
So this is the London cake. It's layers of chocolate cake, caramel, and ganache with some more caramel right on top. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.